And welcome back to my channel. Hopefully you're here to learn some math. All right, let's get started. So today's TEK is 4.4D, and our learning goal is I can use strategies to multiply a 4-digit number by a 1-digit number, okay? So we're going to be multiplying large numbers today, okay? So our three strategies I'm going to teach you today is standard equation, area model, and partial product. Oops. So let's go ahead and do standard equation. Okay, so let's do 3,814. It's a big number times 2. Okay, so when we multiply this, when we do standard equation, all we're doing is just multiplying the first digit by the next digit on top. So 2 times 4. Right? So just like with everything, I'm going to write it out. 2 times 4 is 8. Okay, so I'm going to put 8 right here. Then the next number I'm going to do is 2 times 1. 2 times 1 is 2. Okay, then the next one I'm going to do is 8. 2 times 8 is 16. Okay, remember, 2 digits cannot be in one place value, so the 1 has to go next door. Okay, now the next one I'm doing is 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, plus 1, okay, don't forget this plus 1, is 7. So my answer is 7,628. Okay, so let's review the steps. There's only really one step though. Okay, we're multiplying. So remember, as I did, we're doing 2 times 4 first, we did here, then 1, we did that here, then 8, we did that here, then 3, and we did that here. And we have our answer. So that is standard equation. Okay, let's go ahead and move on to area model. Okay, so I'm going to use the same numbers, 3,814 times 2. Now, with area models, okay, I'm going to break it down by its value. Oops. Decompose the number by its value. Okay, so what does that mean, Ms. Rios? Well, remember, each digit in 3,814 has a place value. For an example, this 4 is in the place value of ones, so therefore the value of 4 is just 4. This number, okay, number 1 is in the place value of tens, therefore the value of 1 is 10. Okay, then 8 is in the place value of hundreds, so my value is going to be 800. And lastly, this 3, okay, is in the place value of thousands, but the value is 3,000. Okay, so again, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, so my next step is to draw the box. Okay. So I'm going to be multiplying it by 2. Let me just move this down really quick. I don't want it to bump into the way. Okay. So I'm going to be multiplying it by 2. And I'm, okay. By 3,000, check. 800, check. 10, check. And 4, check. Okay. So just like with everything, these two multiplying, these two are going to be multiplying, and then these two multiplying, and lastly, these two multiplying. Okay, so the first one, 3,000 times 2. Whoa, that's a really big number. But I know my power of 10, okay? 3 times 2 is 6. How many zeros do I add? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So, oops. So my answer is 6,000. Wow, that was pretty quickly. That was pretty quick. All right, again, next one is 800. Oops. Oh. Next one is 800 times 2. Okay, again, power of 10. 8 times 2 is 16. How many zeros am I adding? 1, 2, 1, 2. So my answer is 1,600. I'm getting the hang of this. Next one is 10 times 2, and that's 20. And last thing is 4 times 2. Notice how even the smaller numbers, I'm still having to write this down because I don't want to make a mistake, okay? 4 times 2 is 8. Oops. And my last step is to add everything up. Okay, we multiplied. And my last step is to add them up. Okay. 6,000, 1,600, 20, and 8. Okay. So notice that again, everything is lined up. Everything has its correct place value. Okay. So when I add this up, 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8, 0, 0 plus 2, 0 plus 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So my answer is 7,628. Okay, so let's review the steps. My first thing is to decompose the number by its value. Check. We did that right here. My second step is to draw the box. Check. We did that right here. And then we multiplied, and I did that because I showed my work right here. And then we added them up. Check. And I made sure that each of them have its own place value. Good job. All right. So the last one I'm going to show you is called partial product. Okay. Again, using the same numbers. 3,814 times 2. Okay. So with this one, my only step is to just multiply by their value. Okay. So again, let's break this down. My 4 is in the place value of ones, so my value is 4. My ones is in the place value of tens, so my value is 10. My 8 is in the place value of hundreds, so my value is 800. And my 3 is in place value of thousands, so my value is going to be 3,000. Okay? So all I do now is just multiply by 2. So 3,000 times 2, 800 times 2, 10 times 2, and 4 times 2. Okay. Again, power of 10, 3 times 2 is 6. How many zeros do I add? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Next one, 800 times 2, power of 10, thank you. 8 times 2, okay, is 16. How many zeros am I adding? 1, 2, 1, 2. Next one, 10 times 2 is 20. And last one, 4 times 2 is 8. Okay. And the next thing is to just add them all up. 6,000, 1,600, 20, and 8. Okay. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8, 8, 0, 0 plus 2, 2, 0 plus 6, 6, and 6 plus 1, 7. Okay, my answer is 7,628. Again, making sure that everything is in its correct place value. Okay, so let's review. Partial product. I multiply by its value, check, okay, because I did that here. And then the last thing was to just add them up. Okay, and check because I did that here, making sure that each one has its own place value. All right, so we did partial product, area model, and standard equation. Now you know how to multiply 4-digit by a 1-digit. Again, if you have any questions, please come and talk to me. Other than that, I hope you learned some math. Bye, have a good day.